Before hiring, you got to define which tasks your VA will be responsible for, right? Look for repetitive, time consuming, or specialized tasks that take up too much time. One thing I would advise for you to do is to keep a daily log of what you do. If a task repeats itself, your virtual assistant should be able to handle it. Okay. Not all tasks have the same level of urgency, right? One thing is not as important or as dire or needing to be done as the other thing is. Categorize them really based on these things: urgent and important, important but not urgent, routine and competitive. Urgent important tasks could be like client inquiries, sales calls, scheduling, stuff like that, right? Important but not urgent could be social media planning, email follow-ups, something like that. Now, routine and the routine and repetitive category can be something like data entry, invoice processing, CRM updates. So what you want to do is you want to create task priority lists and update it weekly, right? So having pre-made templates, and we talked about this before in previous modules, helps confusion, ensures tasks are done correctly with minimal issues, right? Each task should have clear instructions, like step-by-step guidance with examples. And an example of that would be like the checklist or the operating procedures. You want clear, concise instructions on how things are to be done, right? When they're are and also when they're going to be done.